I don't think I've ever flown my Mini 4 Pro in any color profile other than HLG and D-Log-M. So this evening, I'm going to fly it in the normal color profile and place it in auto and let the drone determine the proper settings. I'm going to upload this footage as is. So what you see is what you get. And I'm also doing this because I have a neighbor who just received a drone for Christmas and has asked me a ton of questions, like what is color grading? So I says, look, if you go out, just fly it in the normal color profile and let the drone determine the settings. And as you become more comfortable and familiar with your drone, then you learn about HLG and D-Log-M, or just watch my videos. Hope you guys enjoy the footage. So let's take this out of the Pro mode and go into the Auto mode. And then let's go into settings and check our color profile. So under camera, our color profile is set to normal, so I'm good to go there. I'm set to 4K 24 frames per second. The EV is 0.0. That's all good. So the camera is determining the correct settings. So let's initiate a takeoff. Let's go straight up. And I'm going to go out in this direction here. I just love it out here. And let's go forward. My neighbor received a Mini 4 Pro, and he was full of questions. He wants to learn color grading and taking videos and photographs with his drone. And I recommended that when he first takes it out, just practice. But since he's not doing any color grading, to fly in the normal color profile. So if you're watching, that's what I'm doing right now. This is for you. On your joysticks, make very subtle moves, nothing jerky. So I'm going to turn around slowly. And for new drone pilots, it's going to take around, for new drone pilots, it's going to take a while for that muscle memory to kick in. Your fingers will know just what to do. You want to be relaxed. I know when I first began to fly a drone, man, I was terrified to take it out 20 feet, or at any height for that matter. But you want to learn how to use your nav aids. That's that navigation screen you see in the lower left-hand corner. But even in this 8-bit normal color profile, the footage looks very good. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take it out over that bridge in the front, go past it, then I'm going to initiate a return to home, and this will also test the precision landing. The drone took off a few feet from the driver's side of my Jeep, so it should come right back to that very same location. So once I initiate a return to home, there's nothing else here I have to do other than let the drone land itself. Always pay attention to your remote control signal strength bars up there. And right now I see 5 bars, so I'm good there. Okay, I think that's enough. So right now what I want to do is I'm going to stop the drone and initiate a return to home sequence. And my hands are completely off of the joysticks, and the drone will land itself. There's nothing else here I have to do but just sit back and watch. I asked my neighbor to check out my videos about setting up the settings within the RC2 controller and any other videos that will help him. And in a month or two, with practice, he'll become more comfortable flying his Mini 4 Pro. This is a drone that I do trust. Okay, there we are. I'm going to get this footage uploaded. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.